Have you ever wondered how to create a beautiful underwater garden in your aquarium? Welcome to the world of aquascaping, an art form that marries aquatic plants, rocks, and substrates in an aquarium to craft a visually stunning underwater landscape. So how do you get started with this mesmerizing aquatic art form? Stay tuned. Creating your own underwater oasis involves a few essential steps. First off, you'll want to select the right aquarium. Consider the size, shape, and overall aesthetic that your desired aquascape will require. Next, it's time to choose your plants and other elements. Consider using a mix of different plant species to create depth and diversity. But don't forget about other elements like rocks or driftwood. These can add a sense of realism and natural beauty to your aquascape. Once you have your materials, it's time to plan your layout. Think about where each plant and element will go, keeping in mind how they'll grow over time. You'll want to create a balanced, harmonious design that's pleasing to the eye. Now comes the fun part, planting your chosen flora. Use aquascaping tools to carefully place each plant in its predetermined spot. Remember, it's not just about looks. Plant placement can also affect the health and growth of your underwater garden. Finally, once everything's in place, you'll need to maintain your aquascape. This includes regular water changes, fertilization, and pruning of plants. Remember, patience is key when it comes to aquascaping. It might take some time for your underwater garden to reach its full potential. So, we've talked about what aquascaping is and walked you through the process of creating your own. In essence, aquascaping is the craft of arranging aquatic plants, rocks, and woods in an aesthetically pleasing manner within an aquarium. We've also explored the step-by-step process, from planning your design, selecting your plants, to the actual planting. If you've enjoyed learning about the art of aquascaping, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more aquarium-related content. Happy aquascaping!